Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a pineapple. I draw an oval shape. Then I divide it with lines to get a texture of a pineapple. Pineapples are big fruits with spiky skin and green leaves on top. Inside they are yellow and juicy. I draw the leaves on the top. Let's start coloring. Color with different shades of green. Light green. We eat pineapple because it is sweet and yummy. Pineapple gives us energy to play and learn. Green. For the bottom I use orange. Pineapple tastes sweet and a little sour. We can eat pineapple fresh in juice or in fruit salad. I add more orange in the lines. And green to make it more real. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.